You drive it, and it moves you. The smooth, progressive power of the engine feels infinite. The incomparable interior detailing is exquisite. Driving the 2011 A6 is simply driving bliss. A6 offers a variety of power plant configurations: a 3.2 FSI V6, a 4.2 FSI V8, and the new supercharged 3.0 TFSI V6. Inside, the enhanced design of the luxurious interior will cradle you with luxury. Simple, elegant, intuitive. These words perfectly describe the innovative Audi multimedia interface system. The simple terminal distills advanced technology into a natural, easy-to-use interface. The A6 ensures safety after collision with driver and front passenger dual-threshold next-generation airbag restraints, and as well as Audi side guard head protection airbags. The 2011 Audi A6. Powerful, spontaneous, and ultra-efficient.
You'll always deal direct with the owner and save at Audi Newton and Volkswagen of Newton. I guarantee it.